In this video, I will share with you how you can easily check in online in Salam Air. So friends, go to Google and search for Salam Air. This is keyword. After that, click this first website as you can see here. If you want to check through Google, guys, just scroll down, click on online check-in. This one on official website, just scroll down, little bit scroll down, guys. From here, click check-in option. So guys, click on check-in. From the last name, write your last name here, guys, and then write your booking reference here, guys. Write your booking reference and then click on search. So guys, all you have to do, click on the search and then write your booking reference. You can extract your booking reference from here, guys. From this, for example, just if for example you would see this one. If I make some, you can see here, this is for booking reference. Copy, for example, any booking reference and click search here for checking. So guys, this is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep in mind any question that you have, down me on the comments and I will answer your question as soon as possible.